Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we got a pretty decent little bounce into 78%. It looks like it is trying to break structure. Because the daily is down and the weekly is down, I'm definitely still primarily looking for sorts. We'll have to see what this turns into. I mean, it possibly could, continue up. We definitely cannot rule that out, especially because it is the summer months, and the summer months do usually produce a lot of very choppy price action. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a pretty significant structure level right here. And if it does break and hold above here, and you do trade the short time frames like below the 1 hour, you definitely could try to look for longs after the break of structure, because at that point it would probably go anywhere between the 38 and the 78% of this whole move down, which if you're a short time frame trader could produce a pretty decent long. For me personally, as more of a swing trader, I would prefer to just wait for three waves up, wait for a Fibonacci bounce, and wait for another sorting opportunity. Because for me, that's definitely the safer bet when the weekly and daily is down. I would much prefer to just wait for the sorting opportunities at the end of three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.